Well, hello and welcome to Promontory Point. We've taken these two beautiful locomotives out of their packing crates and we now have them here on this track. Make a beautiful display here in this conference room. And what we want to do is go through some of the sound effects that both of these locomotives make. The first one that we'll go ahead and do is the driving of the golden spike. And after that, you can have the Morse code of saying that they've completed the last spike. And then it goes into the applause. And they do have an announcement.
God bless America.
And then, believe it or not, these will play the national anthem. Now, in addition to these special sound effects, they come with all the standard sound effects of your whistle and bell and several different whistle configurations, station announcement and sanding, as well as the wheel squealing on braking and so forth. Well, as you can see, not only are these locomotives loaded with a lot of special sound effects, they also have some amazing steam and smoke effects as well. They put in synchronized smoke generators so that the smoke actually chuffs with the sound in sequence with the pistons going back and forth. And they've actually put in a little teeny tiny smoke generator up here that works when the whistle blows. And inside, as you notice when it's coming in, we had the steam coming out of the pistons. So they've spent a lot of time thinking this out, a lot of engineering to get all these special effects, from the sound effects to the smoke and steam and the lighting controls. Absolutely a beautiful locomotive with lots and lots and lots of extras built into it. One of the finest sets that I think you'll ever run across, with the LGB Golden Spike 150th Anniversary Limited Edition set.